Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Learn Arabic grammar the easy way. In this lesson, we will take dual forms. In previous lessons, we learned pronouns and verb tables for feminine gender. In this lesson, as we said, we will learn dual forms, that is they two and you two. Remember to use two fingers in TPI signs, okay? And you see the number 2 there above they, that represents dual. To make it brief, instead of saying they both, you both, or two of you, two of them, we are just saying they with two fingers, and you should understand, and the number 2 represents dual there. They two and you two. We two, there is no need of separate form in Arabic, but anyway, they two and you two are those forms that we have to learn, as you will see. Because we are talking of dual forms which are plural, look at the plural forms first. Again, remember this tip. This is a tip, okay? There are always exceptions. This is just to make the learning easy. It's not a written rule, but just a tip to remember how to make dual forms. So again, I repeat, dual forms are nothing but plurals. So look at the plurals like hum and antum, and just add alif there. Huma, antuma. Because we already know huwa, hum, anta, ana, antum, nahnu, and the plurals are hum, hum. So to make plural, just add alif to that. Huma, they two. Okay. And antum is the plural. Just add alif there. Antuma, antuma, right? And as far as nahnu is concerned, there is no separate word. There is no separate word for we two. Nahnu means we two or all of us. We two or we all. Okay? So the only two words that you have to learn are huma, antuma. Okay, can you translate with TPI? Use your right hand and use two fingers and repeat after me. Huma, they two.
Huma, they two.
Antuma, you two.
Antuma, you two.
Alright, can you translate? Huma,
They two.
Antuma,
You two.
Once again, huma,
They two.
or two of them. Antuma,
You two.
Now let us practice together 3 times, okay? Repeat after me. Huma, antuma.
Huma, antuma. Huma, antuma. Huma, antuma.
Alim. Very simple. Okay, so these are the dual forms, huma and antuma. Okay, let's take spoken Arabic. Man huma, who are those two? The answer will be huma muslimani, musliman, muslimun, musliman. You will learn this later on, but just take it as it is. Musliman means two Muslim. Musliman, two Muslims. Musliman, two Muslims. So answer me. Man huma?
Huma musliman.
Man antuma?
Nahnu
musliman. Now here when I'm asking who are you two, so you are saying we two are Muslims, musliman. Okay, once again. Man huma?
Huma
musliman. Man antuma?
Nahnu musliman.
Once again. Man huma?
Huma musliman.
Man antuma?
Nahnu musliman.
Alim. Alhamdulillah. Let's take the dual forms for their, for the two of them, or your, okay, for the two of you. And again, there, your has number 2 there, representing that it is for dual form. Again, remember to use two fingers to show that. You have already learnt Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum, Rabbuka, Rabbi, Rabbukum, Rabbuna. So the plurals are, that we should be focused on, are Rabbuhum and Rabbukum. Again, apply the same rule. Take that plurals and just extend, add alif. Okay, so Rabbuhum will be Rabbuhuma, the Rabb of two of them, or their Rabb. And Rabbukum take the plural and add alif there. Rabbukuma, plural of, the Lord of, the Rabb of two of you, your Rabb. Rabbuhuma, their Rabb. Rabbukuma, your Rabb. Okay, translate with actions. Rabbuhuma, their Rabb. Two fingers. Rabbukuma, your Rabb. Again, Rabbuhuma,
their Rabb.
Rabbukuma, your Rabb. Rabbuhuma,
their Rabb.
Rabbukuma,
your Rabb.
Repeat after me 3 times. Rabbuhuma, Rabbukuma.
Rabbuhuma, Rabbukuma. Rabbuhuma, Rabbukuma. Rabbuhuma, Rabbukuma.
Alim. And as before, for Rabbuna means the two of us also, the Lord of two of us. Our Rabb for two or for all of us. So there is no separate form for Rabbuna, meaning two of us, the Rabb of two of us. Rabbuna, our Rabb, whether two or all. So the only 2 words that you are learning are Rabbuhuma, Rabbukuma. So what have you learned so far? Huma, Antuma, and Rabbuhuma, Rabbukuma. So the rule is very, very, very simple for dual. You just are adding alif to the plural forms. Hum, Antum. So you just say Huma, Antuma. Rabbuhum, Rabbukum. So Rabbuhuma, Rabbukuma. I hope the rule is very clear, very simple. Okay? Alim, just repeat 4 of them. Huma, Antuma, Rabbuhuma, Rabbukuma. Let's take spoken Arabic. Man Rabbuhuma. Who is the Rabb of 2 of them? You will say Rabbuhuma, Rabbuhuma, Allah. Man Rabbukuma. Who is the Rabb of 2 of you? So you will say Rabbuna, Allah. Our Rabb, for the 2 of us, Allah. Okay, answer me. Man Rabbuhuma?
Rabbuhuma, Allah.
Man Rabbukuma?
Rabbuna, Allah.
Again, Man Rabbuhuma?
Rabbuhuma, Allah.
Man Rabbukuma?
Rabbuna, Allah.
Alim. Alhamdulillah. Now let us take dual forms for fi'l madi. That is, perfect tense. Here also the rule is very simple. Replace u with a. If it is not there, add alif. What does that mean? Let us see. We already know fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altu, fa'altum, fa'alna. So the plurals are fa'alu, fa'altum, fa'alna. As usual, we have fa'alu. Already u is there. So make it a. In dual forms, always there is a sound. Like huma, antuma, rabbuhuma, rabbukuma. So fa'alu will become fa'ala. They too did. Fa'ala. And fa'altum, there's no u there. So just add alif there. Fa'altuma. Just like antum, antuma. Fa'altum, fa'altuma. Rabbukum, rabbukuma. Fa'altum, fa'altuma. So just add alif. A sound should be there in dual forms. Just remember this tip. Okay, translate. Fa'ala, they did. Meaning 2 of them. And fa'altuma, you did. 2 of you. Okay, so repeat after me 3 times. Fa'ala, fa'altuma. Fa'ala, fa'altuma. Fa'ala, fa'altuma. Fa'ala, fa'altuma. Alim. And there is no separate word for we too did. Fa'alna means we too did or we did. So all you have to do is to learn 2 new words. Fa'ala, fa'altuma. And as we said before, focus on the plural. Fa'alu, fa'altum. And if there is no a sound there, replace u with a. And if it is not there, no u, then just add. Like fa'altum, fa'altuma. U with a, if it is not there, a. So u with a, fa'alu, fa'ala, fa'altum, fa'altuma. So fa'ala, fa'altuma. So we have learned the whole table now, up to fi'l madi. Starting with pronouns, we had huma, antuma. And then rabbuhuma, rabbukuma. These were pronouns. And then we have فعل ماضي فعلا فعلتما فعلا فعلتما. So everywhere you see the sound a there. Very simple. And you just look at the plurals. Again, I'm repeating it again and again. So this lesson can be, just learned thoroughly with these tips. So hum antum will become huma antuma. Rabbuhum rabbukum. Rabbuhum rabbukum will become rabbuhuma rabbukuma. Fa'alu fa'altum will become fa'ala fa'altuma. Let's take spoken Arabic. Hal fa'ala, did they too do? You'll say na'am fa'ala. And hal fa'altuma, you will say na'am fa'alna. Yes, we did. Answer me. Hal fa'ala.
نعم فعل.
هل فعلتما.
نعم فعل.
Again, هل فعلا.
نعم فعل.
هل فعلتما.
نعم فعلنا.
MashaAllah. Let's add a word khayran. Did they too do something good? هل فعلا khayran. So you just add khayran everywhere. Answer me. هل فعلا خيرا.
نعم
فعلا
فعل
خيرا. هل فعلتما خيرا.
نعم فعلنا
خيرا. علم. Alhamdulillah, that's it for now. Don't forget the 7 types of homework, 2 on tilawah, 2 on study, and listen to the recording and talk about the course with friends and family and recite different surah in salah. And don't forget the prayer for yourself, Rabbi zidni ilma, and for the friends. Oh Allah, for example, oh Allah, help us to learn the Quran in Quran class. Learn from videos. If you cannot be consistent, then gather friends and watch the videos. And whenever I say alim, pause there and then continue. Or get one-to-one class. And the best thing is to be teacher. Download the PPTs and start teaching, and you will really learn. And if you want teacher's training, it's there. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Wa jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum